The varying angles of the sun above the horizon and the growing and diminishing length of the day are responsible for the changing seasons. Each day we see the sun rise in the east and travel across the sky and set in the west. On the first day of spring, called the vernal equinox, the sun rises due east and sets due west, giving us 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. As spring turns to summer, the sun comes up north of east, rises high in the sky, and goes down north of west, spending more than 12 hours above the horizon. On the autumn equinox, on or about September 21st, once again we have equal days and nights. In the fall and winter, the sun rises south of east, stays low in the sky, and sets south of west, giving us shorter days and longer nights. The seasons can be explained in terms of the motion of the sun along the ecliptic, an imaginary line that traces out the path of the sun on the celestial sphere. The celestial equator is in a plane perpendicular to the Earth's axis. On the equinoxes, the sun is on the celestial equator. On or about June 21st, called the summer solstice, the sun reaches its most northern point above the celestial equator. The sun moves eastward along the ecliptic and returns to the celestial equator around September 21st. On the winter solstice around December 21st, the sun reaches its southernmost point relative to the equator on March 21st. The sun returns once again to the celestial equator, completing the circle.